Welcome to Smile Nuts Pistachio cultivation. Get ready to embark on a fascinating journey deep into the world of pistachio farming. From the very first planting stages all the way to the state-of-the-art processing facilities, we're here to uncover the secrets behind one of the world's most beloved nuts. In this episode, we'll take you behind the scenes of pistachio farming, revealing the meticulous care, hard work, and cutting-edge technology that brings these little green gems to your table. Whether you're a farming enthusiast, a food lover, or just curious about how your favorite snacks are made, you're in for a treat. This is the ultimate behind-the-scenes look at how pistachios go from orchard to snack bowl. The green gold of the nut world. Did you know pistachios are known as green gold? These aren't just any nuts. They've been symbols of wealth and prosperity for thousands of years. Prized for their unique, rich flavor and packed with nutrients, pistachios are a favorite for foodies and health-conscious individuals alike. But their journey to your kitchen is nothing short of extraordinary. From ancient history to modern farms, pistachios have a history as rich as their taste. While they originally hail from the ancient orchards of Iran, today's top producer is none other than California. Thanks to innovative farming techniques and modern technology, the U.S. has transformed pistachio cultivation into a booming industry. But what hasn't changed is the incredible resilience of the pistachio tree. The resilient pistachio trees are true survivors. They thrive in conditions where most other crops would wilt. Hot, dry climates with minimal rainfall. These sturdy trees can live for over 30 years, producing bountiful crops year after year once they reach maturity. It's their ability to adapt to tough environments that makes them perfect for desert-like regions. Where it all begins, seedlings and grafting. The pistachio journey starts long before they hit store shelves. It begins with the careful selection of seedlings. Farmers often use a technique called grafting, where they combine the strongest traits from different varieties. This creates trees that are not only more resilient, but also capable of producing higher yields. more delicious nuts for you to enjoy. Perfect planting. Science meets nature. Planting pistachio trees is both an art and a science. Trees are spaced about 3 to 3.5 meters apart to give them room to grow strong, healthy roots and soak up as much sunlight as possible. Sunlight is essential for the tree's growth, and farmers use cutting-edge drip irrigation systems to ensure each tree gets just the right amount of water. This method saves water and ensures top-notch growth, even in arid conditions. Patience pays off, slow but steady. Growth? Pistachios don't grow overnight. It takes about 7 to 10 years for a pistachio tree to reach full production. But with modern techniques and grafting, some trees start producing as early as the 3rd year. By year 20, these trees are in their prime, giving farmers harvest after harvest of premium nuts. Precision pruning and pollination. Pruning is key to producing top-quality pistachios. Farmers shape the trees carefully, selecting the strongest branches to support the weight of the nuts. And did you know pistachios need both male and female trees to produce nuts? Pollination, carried out by the wind and bees, ensures that each season's crop is abundant and healthy. The harvest, a community celebration. When it's time to harvest, it's a major event. In California, farmers use specialized tree-shaking machines that gently shake the trees, releasing the ripe pistachios onto trays below. It's a sight to behold, as these machines are designed to ensure that not a single nut is damaged during the process. In some regions, farmers still hand-pick the nuts, a tradition passed down through generations. No matter the method, the goal is the same: harvest pistachios at their peak ripeness for the best flavor and quality. The final step, precision processing. Once harvested, the journey continues to the processing facility, where the outer hulls are removed and the nuts are sorted by size and quality. Pistachios undergo a meticulous sorting process to ensure only the best make it into your snack pack. From there, they're packaged and shipped to stores around the world, ready to be enjoyed by millions. Join us on this journey. We hope you've enjoyed this in-depth look at Smile Nuts Pistachio cultivation. From ancient roots to modern farming, the story of the pistachio is one of resilience, innovation, and of course, flavor. Have questions or thoughts? We'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below, and let's keep the conversation going. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting farming documentaries and fascinating behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite foods are grown and processed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.